everybody. It's your girl, Full of Grace, back with another random video. So, this is pretty random because, my page, my channel is whatever I feel like doing. I don't have I'm not a hair person, I'm not a makeup person. I'm mostly a vlogger, I'd say. Just my regular life. But I don't have one lane. I kind of just do what I want because it's my channel, so I can do what I want. But yeah, so I was inspired by Aaliyah J because she did her video and she dyed her hair blue black using the watercolor method. And so I was like, oh my god, I think I want to try that. So I bought two colors. One is the Adore Royal Navy. I don't know if it's focusing. Yeah, the Royal Navy and the Adore Blue Black. And I'm going to dye an old wig that was ombre blonde, but now I'm gonna make it those two colors. So hopefully we'll see how it comes out. I bleached it again, so that it's higher up, so the roots will still be dark, but more of the hair will hopefully pick up these colors. But this is really experimenting, and I'm taking you guys are gonna watch it happen. Yeah, so I'm excited to see what it'll look like. Just really trying it out, and yeah, I'll be able to give you guys a review, I guess, on how this watercolor method works, because I've seen people do it, but I'm somebody, I have to do it for myself for me to fully understand. So hopefully this goes well. So you're gonna get a big pot and put water in it so that you can heat it up. Stainless steel seems to be the best as far as cleanup goes, and I've seen hot water work better, so I'm gonna heat up the water. And here is a picture of my hair before it is bleached. And then I bleached it a little higher up just so it could be more blonde. But the hair looks the way it does right now because it's actually currently wet. And then I'm gonna add the Royal Navy and the Blue Black to the water. This is a pretty clean process, which is why I think I love it. I'm definitely gonna try it again. So I add the Royal Navy. I definitely make some mistakes in this video, and if you have any questions, you can just leave them down below. But I'm gonna add the Royal Navy and then add the Blue Black to the water. I might have wanted to add a little less Blue Black, but of course this is trial and error, so I'm just rolling with the flow. But yeah, it's very clean, and I just stir up the water in the pot. Don't mind my ashy elbow. But I stir the water up in the pot, and then I'm going to just add the hair in. So here you see I'm just dunking the hair in. I was trying to do a test just to see what it would look like, and as you can see, it's picking up the color really, really fast. That was 2 seconds. So I just put it in. The water is pretty hot, but it's not on anymore, it's just hot. I put the hair in, and I'm just playing around with it, and then I just put it in completely. The great part about this is you could leave it in, and the lace doesn't really pick up the color, so you don't have to worry about your lace turning black or anything. It did pretty well with not picking up the color. So yeah, I just leave it in there for about, I want to say 10 minutes. You probably could even leave it in there less, but I just, this was my first time, so I left it in there for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and get it out. So it's been 10 minutes, and now I'm going to get the hair out. I'm going to use the top of the pot because, as I said, the hair is pretty hot, and I'm going to use the top to transfer it to the sink. Now I'm going to rinse with cold water. You don't want to use hot water because you don't want the dye to just keep coming out. So use cold water just because it helps to keep the color, and you want to rinse it until the water pretty much comes out clear. Next, I'm going to use the Tresemme Luxurious Moisture Conditioner. I just like this conditioner because it helps to add moisture back to the hair, and it leaves it silky smooth. So I'm going to use that just to keep co-washing the hair pretty much. And I'm going to do it a few times and then rinse it out until it rinses clear. As I continue to wash the hair, I'm going to grab a wide tooth comb, which is essential to lightly detangle the hair around the part area. And a trick that people don't realize is that, you know, everyone loves their wigs to be on flat. Nobody likes that bulkiness. So if you wash the hair in the direction you want the hair to stay, it aids in flattening the hair much simpler. So as you can see, I'm holding the wig in a way and not letting the hair flip over or anything, just so that when I go to let it air dry, the part will be there, and then when I need to flatten it, the part will still be there, and it helps to keep the wig very flat. I added this clip just so you guys could see how clean the process is. I washed the part without using too much elbow grease, and look how clean it got. Nice and easy cleanup. All right, my full of gracers, it's the next morning, and as you can see, the hair is blue. The sunlight helps you to see that it's blue, but in person it's a little more subtle, which I love, because you know it's like a little bit of edge, but not like screaming at you, so you can still go to the workplace if they don't mess with colored hair. Love it. Hello everybody. So this is the finished product. This is my fresh face. I've washed it, let it air dry, and then yeah, I flat ironed it. You can see it a little bit in the light though, like in the sunlight. When I looked at it in the sunlight, which I showed you in the other clip, it is blue, but like I like this subtle look. And yeah, I'm gonna get myself together, and hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be sure to post the picture of what I look like when I'm all done, and see you in my next video. Bye.